writing in standard form. So what we're going to do is we're going to take something that is in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, so in general form, and move it to standard form, which is, of course, y equals ax minus p squared plus q. So what we're going to do first is we're going to look at our two x ones. And we want a to be equal to 1, so I have to divide out a 3. We're not going to touch the 7, just the x's. So we're going to have y equals 3 x squared minus 4, leave a space, plus 7. So all we did was we took a 3 out of our x terms. Now what we're going to do is we're going to complete the square for what's inside the brackets. So we find our c value, so negative 4 divided by 2 squared, negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2, squared is 4. Now usually we would add 4 to both sides, but because we want to put it on the same side, we're going to both add and subtract 4. So that way we're still adding 0. Now we have y equals, I want to rewrite it as this first, 3x squared, that should be an x, minus 4x plus 4. Now to move this negative 4 outside of the brackets, we still have to remember to times it by 3. So we have plus 3 times negative 4 plus 7. So now we've just arranged it differently. Now we're going to factor this. So we get y equals 3x minus 2 squared, the square root of your first term, the sine of your second term, the square root of your last term, minus 12 plus 7, and minus 12 plus 7 is negative 5. So we have 3 bracket x minus 2 squared minus 5. And now it is in standard form. So for the next example, we want to take the negative 2 out of our 2x terms. So we have y equals negative 2x minus 5 over 2 squared, oops, leave a space, minus 3. Now we're going to find our c value, so 5 divided by 2 divided by 2, which is the same as 5 over 4 negative, squared, which is the same as 25 over 2. 16, not 2. There we go. Now we're going to add 25 over 16 and subtract 25 over 16. Now we're going to rewrite it. Y equals negative 2x minus squared minus 5 over 2x plus 25 over 16 minus 2 times negative 25 over 16 minus 3. Y equals negative 2x minus 5 over 4 squared. And then if you type negative 2 times negative 25 over 16 minus 3, you should get plus 1 over 8. So this is our equation in standard form. For the last one, we want to take a 1 over 5 out. So we have y equals 1 over 5. And remember, that's the same as multiplying everything by 10. So we have x squared plus 10x, leave a space, minus 1, find our c value. C equals 10 divided by 2 squared, which is 5 squared, which is 25. So plus 25 minus 25, y equals 1/5 x squared plus 10x plus 25 plus 1 over 5 times negative 25 minus 1. Now we simplify this. Y equals 1 over 5 x plus 5 squared, the square root of this, the sine of this, the square root of this. Negative 25 divided by 5 is negative 5, minus 1 is negative 6. So this is our final answer.